In this video, we're going to do a quick setup so we can use our aiming animation. So we're going to go ahead and create a new input, call it aim, and set it to the right mouse button. All right, let's save it and head into our input bindings. So right here, I want to copy the sprint bindings, change it from sprint to aim. Now we need to make two functions, void start aiming, void stop aiming, and bool b is aiming. Then a blueprint callable function that returns bool is player aiming. And we're just going to be setting b is aiming to true and false. And then return b is aiming for is player aiming. Then in the constructor, I'm going to set b is aiming to equal false by default. And we're going to call it, so instead of start sprinting, it's going to be start aiming and stop aiming. All right. That looks good. Let's compile. Alrighty. So now we can go to our animation blueprint. And let's create a new variable. It's going to be is aiming. Do it as a boolean. We're going to branch off a player and do is player aiming. And we're going to simply set is aiming to equal that. All right. So we now have our aiming set up. So this will be set. Let's actually test it real quick. Print string. All right, so it works. So now that we have our aiming set up, we can begin making an animation. Well, let's make an animation, a new state for aiming. So let's do add state, idle, aim. Condition for this is going to be aiming and player speed. So player speed is less than 0. Equals 0. Here. Actually, let's just do, or not speed. Let's do less than, we'll do less than 5. So we have a little bit of wiggle room there, where it's not going to make a difference. And we're going to do a and node and link them up. Right. So that's for our two aiming. So if we're pretty much had no movement and we're aiming, this one's going to be, again, if player speed is less than that, and we are not aiming. So let's use a not boolean and an and boolean, link them up, and that should be good. So we now have our state, so we should be able to work on our animation and continue. So I'll see you in the next one.